Welcome to Whispers. Kalu. So, there was drama. The rich also cry. When you see a man cry, it don't happen. I beg, who slapped Kalu? Let's find out. Drama in Senate as orji Kalu breaks down in tears, declares, "I am not a thief." There was drama in an emotional-laden valedictory session at the Senate when the former governor of Anambra and chief whip of the 9th Senate broke down in tears and declared he's not a thief. Kalu, who has refused to back down in order to support the candidates as party, the All Progressives Congress (APC), announced as its preferred choice for the 10th Senate leadership, stood up to speak during the session when he recounted his experience in politics amid tears. The two-time governor of Anambra fought back tears, recounting his ordeal in prison at the Kuje Correctional Service, declaring in a teary voice, "This country is not fair." Really? This country is not fair? Coming from you? Oh, wow. All the tables are turning. Interesting. Recall the senator was convicted of laundering to the tune of 7.1 billion belonging to Abia State government while he held sway as governor between 1999 and 2007. Oh my God, you see, the 1966 sets and the 1999 sets, they are the two sets of no good people holding this country to ransom. So it's 1999 set. Wow. Same as President Steve Nimbo. It was arranged by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, alongside Ode James Odiogo, a former director of finance and accountant in the state during his administration, on a 36 counts of money laundering. He was sentenced to 12 years imprisonment on December 5th, 2019. While Odego got a 10-year sentence, but the Supreme Court later nullified the trial and ordered a retrial. This was after they had spent months in prison. Kalu returned to the Senate and took part in the plenary, which ended on Saturday, providing an insight into his time in politics. Kalu, whose election in the February 25th senatorial election is the subject of litigation, said, "Before I came," this is the part that, oh my gosh, before I came into politics, I could buy anything money can buy. I am not a thief. Maybe you are not a thief, but definitely you are greedy. Obviously, you are not contented. If before you came into politics, according to you, you could buy anything that money can buy, he said in tears. Oh my God. Kalu, nígbà tó yó tán, ó wá ń wá bẹ́kùnbẹ́kùn káàkiri. What else do you want? You've got the money. You were twice the governor. You've been Senate, whatever. And still you don't want to go. You don't want to go. You guys are those greedy lords. You're greedy. You're not contented with what you have. It serves you right. Those that put me in prison know the reason. What are you looking for? What else do you want? Hasn't God been good to you? Must you go into politics? They took over my businesses and wanted to kill me, yet I survived it. And I am in the Senate with you. Birds of the same feather. When you lie, if you lie with dogs, you'll come up with fleas. He said, speaking of his background, he revealed that I have never lacked. While I was in the People's Democratic Party, PDP, where I served for 2 terms as governor, I brought the money that they used in forming that party, every penny, in 1997 and 1998. And I later became a thief. People I gave transferred money from my house and I became agents. This is what Nigeria represents. Oh, the pot is calling the kettle black. Nigeria has happened to you. Though, thank you for giving me these 4 years of uninterrupted support. Yes, 4 years of uninterrupted stealing. 4 years of uninterrupted conniving, of siphoning the people's money. This country is not fair, really. It's not fair. You can't turn your tongue now, orji, kalu. You can't talk and say the country is not fair. You, where God bless, God give on everything. Yet, it no reach you. If you, say before you came to politics, you had everything, can't talk now. Wait table turn, all because say the thing where you want, your hand never reach out, or the thing no go even reach you. Now you gonna say the country no fair. But the common man that has lost everything, when he's saying, good governance, serve us well, do the right thing, the country fear then, wake up, I beg you, wake up and smell the coffee, smell coffee, So it's you wanna look on by and say, but you people are self-serving, self-servicing thieves. All you know, all you care about is yourself. You don't care about the masses. You don't give a hoot about how they feel. You don't even think of how you're treating them, whether it is fair or not. But when you don't get your way, when things don't go according to your plan, there you know the country is not fair. There you will know. You will not drag God into it that there is God. It doesn't matter. If you lie with dogs, you come with fleas. In as much as you've joined the league, you will be corrupted. They said, bad friends corrupt good behavior, corrupt good character. Watch your friends. So don't come and be saying you are not a thief. All the people, all of you that are researching yourselves, you are thieves. You're stealing from the people. What are you looking for in politics? You served in the Senate for 4 years. Your salary alone, apart from that, all the side things that you people get, plus the contract. So, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Tó ń wá bẹ́kùbẹ́kù káàkiri. Àwa wí tán. Ó kí ń sókè bí ẹran sísun. Òkété gbàgbé ìbòsí. Ó dígbà láti ó káwọ́ lérí. Ó wá bú sẹ́kún. Jọ ẹkún kí ló ń sun? Ẹni ò kí ń ṣọjọ́ ẹkún ẹ̀. Tó dẹ̀ ti sunkún yẹn, ó máa sunkún. The rich also cry. The rich also cry. Ó ń sunkún. Ó sì máa sọ ẹ̀jẹ̀. Not today. It don't take. This country is not fair. Story for the gods. Welcome to the club. Welcome on board. So, it shock you. Orji, are you whining us? Hand don't reach you. The place where the hand reach you. Kota. Now you go know for body now. Wait. The country is not fair. Okay. It don't happen to you now. They don't serve you breakfast. Eat it, oh. Eat it happily. Eat it happily. Can't they cry? Is that the next thing for you? Nǹkan tó kàn fún ẹ nìyẹn. Ẹ ṣì máa sún jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Sunkún sí. That crying, crying for basket. Sun sápẹ̀rẹ̀. Má sun sábọ̀, tó bá sun sábọ̀ wà á rí gbé mu. Sun sápẹ̀rẹ̀ kó o lè sun dáadáa. Tí ìmọ̀ nǹkan. Tí ìmọ̀ mẹ́mẹ́. Mẹ́mẹ́ is coming one by one. One by one, you're gonna taste it. You will be served hot. The country is not fair. Not today. You don't taste. So guys, it's orji kalu. Orji kalu is giving us the show of the year. Is crying. Ew. He's crying. So it's now that he remembers that he's not a thief when it is over. But all those times, those 4 years when a lot they do, they ring for an account, he no remember what they did to him. Feeding bottle don't drop. Wow, alright, Kalu. That's okay. Until I come your way again. Kalu don't they cry for basket. Wow. Bye.